Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you're using Google Messages on your Android phone, just to let you know that apparently Google is busy rolling out an update to its sensitive content warning system, where the new system is now giving users and parents more control over videos. Now with this feature, Google Messages can now identify incoming videos that might be inappropriate, such as nudity and other sensitive content. And what it'll do then, it'll blur the footage. So when you open a message, you won't view something obviously you wouldn't want to be seen, or rather not see. And this is all according to the latest Play Services update, where the changelog notes, and I'm quoting, "With this update, sensitive content warnings feature in Google Messages can now detect explicit nude media in shared videos." And I actually think this is a nice move in the right direction. Now, according to the post, the new feature should be rolling out now, and you can get it in the latest Play Services and Google Messages app updates on your phone. And how you would enable this is, once the feature does arrive on your phone, you can head to your settings, protection and safety, and enable the actual feature. And just on a side note, the new sensitive content warnings are turned off by default on adult accounts, as they are an opt-in feature. So just take note of that. And for those under 18, they'll automatically be enabled to prevent unwanted content from getting through. And if you are a parent or an adult, you can control this through the Family Link app, as you may well know. So just putting it out there that that little feature update is now available for Google Messages over on your phone. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.